Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning my home. It is the day after Easter when I'm filming this, and sorry if you hear my little guy in the background. He is on Easter break right now, or spring break. They always attach theirs to Easter, so we call it Easter break. But in today's video I'm going to be cleaning my whole home, or most of my home. The only thing I didn't clean was my older son's bedroom because I don't typically clean that. He mostly cleans it himself, and then every now and then I will go in and do a deep clean. And I'm not cleaning the bathroom on this day, but I am doing everything else, and I'm doing some laundry. But the living room is kind of a disaster today, so I definitely needed to clean the living room because the little guy had food all over the floor and the Easter stuff was everywhere, so I had to get some cleaning done. So I'm just going to take you along with me and put on some music and get lots of cleaning done.
Under the palm trees in the California sun, sand underneath our feet, the morning's just begun. I don't remember much from the night before, just from that human touch, and now I want more. My memory slowly coming back, cracks a smile upon my face, but then it all turns black. Something about tonight, and how it's gonna be your last. And now my mind is a mess, my heart is pounding fast. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about what you've done. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't know how it's gonna be, but it's gonna be you and me. From the look in your eyes, you need to get away, but I'll make you promise me that you'll come back someday. Let's make the most of it. I remember what you said. Up in the Ferris wheel, we're kissing in the shades. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about the other ones, I don't care about what you've done. Oh, I wish that you could stay. But it's gonna be you and me. the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody is waiting down the line. You pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line. So don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say